The Poise Stokes converter interactive calculator solves viscosity conversions between dynamic and kinematic units. Let's explore the interface. The drop-down menu labeled Select Conversion Mode offers 6 options: Poise to Stokes, Stokes to Poise, centiPoise to Stokes, Stokes to centiPoise, centiPoise to centi-Stokes, and centi-Stokes to centiPoise. For this demonstration, I'm using Poise to Stokes. The input fields include dynamic viscosity in Poise, kinematic viscosity in Stokes, dynamic viscosity in centiPoise, kinematic viscosity in centi-Stokes, and density in grams per cubic centimeter. Here's a worked example. I'll enter 10 for dynamic viscosity P, 10 for kinematic viscosity St, 10 for dynamic viscosity Cp, 10 for kinematic viscosity CST, and 10 for density. After clicking Calculate Conversion, the results show dynamic viscosity equals 10,000 poise, kinematic viscosity equals 1,000 Stokes, dynamic in centiPoise equals 1,000 doses, kinematic in centi-Stokes equals 100.0, and the SI units display dynamic viscosity Mu equals 1,000 Pascal seconds, and kinematic viscosity nu equals 0.0001,000 in zeros meters squared per second. These conversions help engineers work across different measurement systems. Find the link in the description below.